20 years ago, we had essentially the same tools. We've seen these slides. 20 years ago, we had Revit, we had Rhino, even Facebook. Skype has just become Teams, really. It's all been the same. In the last 5 years, things have changed quite a bit, right? So we had COVID, and we all learned how to use these collaborative tools. And then even in less than 3 years, ChatGPT. My fear is that 30 years ago, we had something called the internet. And we haven't even used that in our process yet. We're still using PDFs to put our work out there. And it is just, it's criminal, actually, that you cannot click on a note in a drawing and it opens up the specification. I don't know how this is possible, but it is. And if we want to really focus on AI, and I think we should, obviously, it can make our designers much more powerful, be able to deliver more. We also have to institute a new way of delivering our work.